Controversial take, your next thought leadership channel is Instagram. Most of us still see Instagram as we saw it when it first came out. A channel for the younger demographics, for interns, for talent content. But I'm here to tell you that those demographics have shifted and that it serves a perfect opportunity for executive thought leadership content. I'm talking about content to sell to senior decision makers in major organizations. But let's look at the demographics. 60% of people aged 30 to 49 use Instagram, and 35% of people aged 50 to 64 also use it. Here are 3 CEOs who are doing a phenomenal job of creating thought leadership on Instagram. My number 1 is Cathie Wood from ARK Invest. ARK Invest is a major investment management company, and they have 5 strategic priorities: blockchain, multi-omic sequencing, energy storage, robotics, and AI. Now, how do I know these 5 things? Well, that's because the CEO of the company, Cathie Woods, takes to Instagram almost every single day and shares updates on their strategy and the latest investment research. My number 2, Roland Busch, CEO, Siemens. Roland might be the ideal figurehead CEO using the platform because he does it all. He does the quarterly financial updates direct to camera. He does the casual walk and talks and roundtables with his team to talk about talent and the questions from people in the organization. And my favorite on YouTube, you might catch him with the guitar in his hands as he plays and has interviews with his team. And I think this type of content shows the real human behind the organization, and that's how executives want to be seen today. And number 3, love him or hate him, Mr. Wonderful, Kevin O'Leary. Now, Kevin has a well thought out content strategy because he's a regular contributor to CNN and Fox News, and those clips fuel his entire Instagram strategy. But if you know him like I do, he also gives great insights for entrepreneurs and how to run a business. And he's got his personal passion, like his iconic watch collection and some of his things that he does on the side. All of those things are a well-rounded content strategy for a senior executive. So remember this, customer attention changes and so do demographics. If I was an executive, I would not sleep on the Instagram opportunity.